Hello everyone. It is pleased to meet you all through this online training program. My name is Sang Bak from K-Water, Korea Water Resources Corporation. I've worked for K-Water for 17 years in water resources management field. In this class, we'll explore the smart water technology for smart city. This lecture focuses on the smart water management technology applied in Busan Eco-delta city and the ongoing smart city project for the Indonesian new capital city. Here is the content of our lecture. Firstly, I'll talk about the background and technology development in smart city development. And I would like to share the smart technology applied in Busan Eco-delta city, Korea, which is being developed by K-Water. The third topic is KCity network project, especially focused on Indonesian new capital city. And lastly, I'll talk about those barriers and enablers for implementation of smart water management. Chapter 1, Background of Smart City. For the beginning, I would like to briefly introduce the K-Water. K-Water is government-owned corporation, and we are working on national-level water resources management, including multi-purpose dam development and inter-regional water supply. For the smart city development, we have long history throughout 50 years engagement in public infrastructure development. K-Water has led Korea's economic growth by developing national industrial complexes. The beginning stage of Korea's economic development, the Korean government focused on the development of industrial complexes. K-Water developed those industrial complexes since 1974, such as Yeosu, Changwon, Ulsan, Onsan, Gumi, Ansan, and Siwa. At the moment, we are working on the development of Busan Eco-delta city and Songsan waterfront city. Based on this background, we have strong competency in smart water city development. Nowadays, cities suffering from various problems. The quality of life is deteriorated due to those urban problems. Worsened urban flood, water shortage, urban public safety, and air pollution has led to deterioration of quality of life. Smart water management is a global agenda, and water is an essential element for sustainable smart cities. Here are some interesting articles from British Medical Journal. The first ranker of medical discovery, which significantly extends human life expectancy, was the development and wide implementation of water supply and sanitation. According to the journal, human life expectancy in 20th centuries has increased 35 years, and among them, 30 years by the water supply and sanitation. Let us look at the global trend of smart city development. In North America and Europe, the implementation of smart city is focused on open data and living labs through citizen participation. In the Asian regions, the implementation of smart city is focused on infrastructure development with a new technology-based industry ecosystem. Now let us move on to Chapter 2, Busan Eco-delta city and smart technology. I would like to introduce the Eco-delta city project in Busan as a duplicable, good example of smart city development. Busan is located at the southern coast of Korean Peninsula. The total area of Busan Eco-delta city is about 12 square kilometers and designed for 76,000 people. The city will be served as residence, commercial, R&D, and logistics city. The EDC, Eco-delta city, will be developed as a waterfront eco-city where you can experience the abundance of an eco-friendly residence. And it will be a global waterfront cultural city and future logistic and service city of Korea. We have applied smart water management technology in Busan Eco-delta city development, such as high precision, small scale precipitation radar, which will be can for more accurate local precipitation forecast and urban flood management. And also urban disaster integrated management system was constructed through the integration of water infrastructure. Low impact technology was applied throughout the development of EDC. And also an advanced eco-filtering technology was applied to improve the water quality of the river system. And the decentralized smart water treatment plant will be constructed as a pilot scale to prevent secondary contamination and water blockage and diversity water sources by installing compact water treatment facility near consumers. Smart water management to provide consumer-oriented service, such as applying smart water technology to manage water quality and quantity in real time for the whole water supply processes, and providing real-time water quality information to the public. The water recycling system, including rainwater harvesting, sewage, and wastewater for domestic, industrial, agricultural, and in-stream water purposes also introduced. Hydrothermal energy system also employed as alternative energy sources. Next, let us move on Chapter 3, KCity Network Project. Recently, the Korean government initiated KCity Network Project. This class will explore those concepts of smart city and apply technology, especially on the Indonesian new capital city project. Korean Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transportation is promoting KCity Network, which is aimed to creating a Korean smart city model through intergovernmental cooperation. Total 80 cases in 23 countries applied to the KCity Network project, and 12 projects were selected for the implementation finally. The purpose of the KCN project is to support smart city development of proponent countries by feasibility study and capacity building program of the local expert. And this project is pursue mutual economic development by sharing and disseminating excellent technology from each countries. As you know, the Indonesian government has initiated the relocation project of new capital city for the national development. The new capital city aims to be an attractive and international standard city, and those concepts and experience of smart city of Korea will be applied throughout the project. We would like to transfer the development experience of smart city and aid to achieve the vision and goals of new capital relocation of Indonesia. The technical assistance is consists of 3 outputs and will be executed for 8 months. Smart City Basic Plan and Proposal of Project Pilot Project, Basic Conceptual Plan for Integrated Water Resources Management, and Smart Water Management and Proposal of Pilot Project, and also Basic Conceptual Plan for Wide Area Transportation Network and Smart Urban Transportation and Proposal of Pilot Project is done. Smart water technologies for smart city can be categorized into flood management and water supply and water quality management sector. The smart technologies in flood management sector include such as examination, management, and analysis of water information, and also prediction and operation of water management, and maintenance and safe management of water resources facility. Water supply and water quality management sector include management of water quality of basin, river, and reservoirs, optimization of water treatment system, and also intelligent operation of water distribution network. Here are some killer item or Korea item we would like to propose for the new capital city. The first item is integrated water resources management system, which is based on the integration of precipitation forecasting system and rainfall runoff modeling system. Those IRN system presented in this slide is already developed and is being operated in water management in Korean situation. The second killer item would be intelligent operation of water network. Real-time based water supply management will be applied from source to tap water management. The data are analyzed in terms of water quantity, water quality, and energy management with the help of intelligent water network software that enable to supply drinking water without service interruption and formulate an optimal plan to rehabilitate water supply infrastructure. The third killer item is technology for low-impact development. Various RID technologies will be applied, such as bio-retention technology, and green roof and rain garden, and also water-retentive pavement and infiltration trench technology. Okay, the first killer item is decentralized water supply system with modular type water treatment plant. The decentralized water supply system reduced the transportation time to the final customers, and hence we can provide more safe drinking water to the customers. And also, which is coupled with modular type water treatment plant, which can reduce the required land area dramatically. The vertical structure of water treatment plant enables installation at the nearest place of the end user. The water treatment plant installed close to the customers can reduce the possibility of secondary pollution in supply line and ensure the quality of treated water. The network of decentralized water supply system can enhance the stability of water supply. The vertical water treatment plant consists of directly coupled water treatment modules, which can be variously combined according to the water quality of source water. Let's go to the next slide. This slide shows the water treatment process in demonstration plant in Cheongju Water Treatment Plant, which consists of membrane filtration and ozone and granular activated carbon process and disinfection process by reflecting the source water quality. Okay, let's go over to chapter 4. Barriers and enablers for smart water management implementation. There are limiting factors for the successful implementation of smart water management, such as lack of political issues and limited access to skills and capacity to the use of smart water management solution, and also limited access to infrastructure or resources such as electricity, and also limited involvement of technology, and many government officials consider it will be a very costly technology, and also those hesitation to replace the traditional infrastructure, and also the lack of political incentive would be a limiting factor for the implementation of those new technologies. But at the same time, there are enablers for the smart water management, strong political commitment at all levels, and also policy, legislation, and regulation support. Combining the use of smart water management tool with other methodology will be also necessary. And also strong stakeholder engagement from the beginning would be the enablers for the implementation. And multidisciplinary approaches, also very important. And long-term investment for the ongoing R&D project also necessary. And capacity development and training and those education also necessary factor for the successful implementation of smart water management. Okay, thanks for the joining with me for those concepts of smart water management, and also I delivered the ongoing projects such as Busan Eco-delta city and also KCity network, especially for the relocation of Indonesian new capital city. Finally, I prepared a short video clip which demonstrates how we built and what will be the aspect of Busan Eco-delta city. The video clip will just only 6 minutes. Please enjoy it. Thank you very much.
If someone asks about the origin and evolution of cities, we turn to water for the answer. All of our innovative thoughts about cities also stem from the convergence of water. Saemulmori area is the center of Busan Eco-delta city. We are focused on improving the quality of life for those who will reside here. In this new water-flowing city, we are creating a new space where nature and humans coexist. With an emphasis on convenience rather than economy, we will realize a balance between work and leisure by creating accessible green spaces throughout the city. Here, culture flows along every road and all walks of life with prosperity. This better-to-live-in futuristic city, Busan Eco-delta Smart City, will be a human-centric city which prioritizes people and nature above all else. If a city could provide a platform to connect innovative ideas from around the world, can it contribute to the sustainable growth of companies and even countries? Supercomputers and intelligent communication networks can be used to test creative approaches. And by applying ultra-realistic technology, we can lead the fourth industrial revolution era. In addition, robot-friendly infrastructure throughout the city will accelerate development of the robotics industry. It's a place where innovation can be implemented through various platforms, This place is Busan Eco-delta Smart City. Urban innovations will change people's lives and add value. By creating a new paradigm for city development based on comprehensive water management technology, we will establish a water-specialized city that restores the natural water cycle and ensures clean water is always flowing. In addition, this futuristic city will achieve energy independence by securing reliable and efficient renewable energies.
델타야, 신나는 노래 틀어줘.
AI will make shopping more convenient. And robots will be used across various fields, so we experience a far smarter life. This robust city will create an environment ripe with business opportunities. Based on this foundation, creativity will spread across the nation and will benefit society. Furthermore, we have the privilege of being the first to benefit from state-of-the-art medical technology, enjoy futuristic transportation systems through which eco-friendly autonomous infrastructure connects key spaces, and secure IoT and smart solutions that will enhance our safety from disasters, crimes, and accidents. This life that no one has experienced before, in a city with smart technology surrounding you, can become your daily life. Our city promises sustainable living for future generations, coexistence with nature, and the realization of social value. A waterfront smart city which makes in a harmony of technology, people, and nature. It changes our lives from the value of the same water of which we are made. Busan Eco-delta Smart City.